everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome, I'm MissCheriess. I'm so nervous right now, guys. I don't know why. Okay, so it's giving me anxiety right now. Alright guys, so I'm just going to put a disclaimer out there that this is not me bragging about new makeup products that I purchased. This is only for entertainment, for my own entertainment, for my own sanity. And if this video would help you with your sanity, that would help you like take your minds off for like 13 minutes. I don't know how long this video gonna be, 15 minutes, and that would be really great, guys. I know some people lost their jobs, some people, you know, struggling right now, some are only without pay. So I'm not the type of person that likes to brag. My friends know me, my family knows me. I mean, I don't like to brag at all. I just really like, you know, love makeup. And I mean, like I mentioned a few minutes ago, this is only purely for my sanity. I don't know why I'm having, you know, anxiety right now, kind of nervous. So anyways, guys, if you do not like these types of videos, you don't have to watch my video. I mean, I don't have that many views, to be honest. So I mean, if you do not like my, you know, watching these types of videos, you don't have to watch this one. So whew, I don't know why. Okay guys, so now those are, you know, out of the way. So I'll be doing my first impressions of the Artist Couture. Oh my god. Okay, so Artist Couture Supreme Nude collection. I never tried. I think I did. I think I still have the Artist Couture like loose powder that I got from my BoxyCharm, but I think that's the only one I have. So I mean, this is going to be my first time using the eyeshadow palette and also the lipsticks. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And you'll be thinking like, girl, that palette is nude, there's nothing special to it, but I just love the colors. I don't know. I'm gonna go show you guys the collection that I purchased. So first things first, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's go right ahead. So this one is cruelty free and vegan, so made in the USA. So this one retails for $40. It's a little pricey. So the packaging is very sleek and neat. Oh my goodness, yeah, that's the thing that gets dirty easily and already get scratches. Oh my god. Okay, so as you can see, it's very sleek, and this is a really like a nice size eyeshadow palette. So I'm so excited, guys. Would be like, girl, that palette is like boring, I mean neutral, but I love this type of shades, guys. I mean, I normally wear this type of shades almost every day. I mean, I used to when my daughter used to go to school. I personally love this type of colors. These are the type of shades that I wear almost every day. So it says in here, redefine the concept of nudes with this lavish new palette that's sure to reign supreme, featuring an array of neutral, cool, and warm tones. So I don't have that many. I think I only maybe have one cool tone eyeshadow palette, I think from the Zoeva. So this would be like my second. I love the combination of neutral and warm tone shades, and this one is calling me, guys. In person, they look almost like olivey undertones. So I don't know, maybe it's just in my head. Okay, so next products are lipsticks. I only purchased three lipsticks. So he came up with 5, so they retail for $18 each. I did not purchase the the diamond glow powder or loose powder highlighters because I'm not really into loose powder highlighters, although the loose powder highlighter that I have right now that I got from my BoxyCharm is really nice. But oh my goodness, I mean, loose powder highlighters are just so messy for me. So this one, the loose powder highlighters, they retail for $27 each. So the lipsticks, $18 each. I got like the last 3 shades from the collection. So I have the Saucy, let me show you guys, the Power Play. So let me swatch it for you guys. So this is the packaging. Oh, so nice. Reminds me of Pat McGrath. I have Pat McGrath lipsticks, and this one kind of reminds me of that a little bit. So oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, so there you go, guys. This is the shade Power Play. It's a nude brownish shade. Oh my god, this is so pretty and so creamy too. And then the shade Adore Me. I think it's Saucy Gal. So let me show you guys the Saucy Gal. Oh yeah, this is like the peachy nude shade. Oh my god, this is so pretty and so pigmented. And then the last one that I have is the shade Adore Me. Here's the shade Adore Me. Yeah. Oh my god, they look so pretty. I've been into nude lipsticks lately, so oh my god, they are so pretty. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to use these lipsticks and the eyeshadow palette, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna prep my skin first because my skin right now feels really dry. So I'm just gonna spray my face with the Fenty Beauty setting spray. So I'm just gonna prime my lid using the e.l.f. Cosmetics primer. Just gonna do my brows off camera and put on false lashes. I'll be right back with the lip swatches. Just gonna move on with my face. I'm going to contour my face using the Artist Couture eyeshadow palette because the shade Silhouette is, I think, a perfect match for my skin tone. I'm just gonna contour my face with this one because my face looks so white right now. So next I'm going to use this blush from ColourPop. I normally use cream blushes or liquid blushes, but I'm going to use the Kevyn Aucoin liquid highlighter and I don't want anything to move around, so I'm going to use this one. Alright, so I'm gonna apply Power Play first, and then in the middle I'm going to apply Saucy Gal, which is like the nudist one I have. Okay, so this is the completed look. Now I'm going to tell you my thoughts about the Couture Supreme Nude collection. The first one is the eyeshadow palette. The packaging is that type of packaging gets dirty easily. So as you can see, guys, I got fingerprints everywhere, but I love the formula, guys. I love the formula. The matte shades were a little bit dusty, but they were very, very easy to blend. They were not patchy, and I love the combination of neutral and warm tone shades. This one really caught my eye, so I'm definitely going to do another eyeshadow palette of the day, but I'm going to use the same palette tomorrow. I think tomorrow will be Friday. So oh goodness, this is just so beautiful, like the most beautiful nude eyeshadow palette in my collection. So I'm really glad that I got this one. Then the lipsticks, they were very creamy. They were very easy to apply, did not bleed at all. So I'm going to read the card in here. So the lipsticks are: your perfect nude lip is finally here. This weightless creamy formula enhances the natural contours of your lips without feeling feathering or bleeding. So all three lipsticks did not bleed on me and did not stain. So I'm really happy with the lipsticks, guys. They feel really lightweight right now. I don't feel anything like sticky or like tacky on the lips, so I'm really happy. I did not smell anything like perfumey either, so I'm really happy with the lipsticks. I love all the products. So the brand is the products are all free, paraben free, sulfate free, vegan, and cruelty free. So the only thing I don't have with me are the diamond glow powder or the loose powder highlighters, because I'm not really into loose powder highlighters. They're really messy for my liking. So definitely, guys, oh my goodness, I am really impressed with the quality of all the products. And let me know if you have tried anything from Artist Couture, or if you purchased anything from his new collection, the Supreme Nudes collection. And this would be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.